Today we want to take you through a strengthening exercise to help with the core and our hips. So we're still going to go through the filling and emptying breath where we're breathing in, pelvic floor expands, emptying, exhale, pelvic floor draws up, and you're thinking that your lower abdominals are drawing in together. We're keeping our rib cage over our hips. We're not letting our back sway. We're staying stable and drawn in. Taking a lateral lunge, so I'm going to stay kind of in camera view. So taking a lateral lunge to the side, a little bit of a slow motion to show you technique. Knee is behind toes, knee is in line, knee is straight forward, weight is in heels. I can wiggle my toes. So taking a lunge naturally, this leg might be a little bit further out. Coming up into a balanced position, high knee. And then you can come back into your lunge. Weight stays back, correcting if you need, and balancing back up. So if you get a little pattern of that going. So we just want to remember to stay drawn in, ribs over hips, cue, breathing in, breathing out. On that exhale, hip muscles are kind of drawing together or zippering together in the front. Taking your lunge, weight is in the heels, launching up into a high knee. So you're using dynamic movement, balance, and your core. Hope this one helps you.